Hey guys, we're back. This is the M&M Experience.
Hey guys, we're back again. Hey YouTube, we're back again in the M&M Experience. Woo! Today we're going to try to do a buffalo wing.
We ain't doing no buffalo wings. That was yesterday.
And today we're going to do the hot Cheeto challenge.
Alright.
Yay.
What's the hot Cheeto challenge?
It's when it's hot.
It's the flavor.
It's called the Chipotle Ranch.
Ooh, that sounds good. Yay.
Look at them. Look at them close.
Yeah, I've never heard of these before. Mikell found them at Wal-Mart today. What do you guys think it's gonna taste like?
I think it's gonna taste like regular hot Cheetos, but with a hint of Chipotle. No, but I don't know. It's gonna have like that Mexican flavor too.
Oh yeah, that's true. It might taste like Cool Ranch Doritos mixed with hot Cheetos mixed with, yeah, like maybe salsa verde type of, yeah,
The
like
brown
Mexican
one.
food, yeah.
Ooh.
Mikell, what do you think it's gonna taste like?
It's gonna taste like it's hot fire hot.
Ooh, yeah, he probably more scared of the heat.
Yeah. Well.
I cannot wait.
All right. Ready? Wanna help?
Smell it first. How does it
Oh.
smell?
It smells hot.
Right away, I get the ranch smell.
Oh yeah,
It smells.
Up.
kind of
Yeah,
like that
little baby.
ranch dip that you mix with sour cream, kind of.
When I say ready,
No, you can't
but
have it.
when guys say ready, set, go, and then I'll do it.
Yeah, we'll all try it at the same time. So
Okay.
maybe everybody grab a chip. Don't eat it
Grab
yet.
one, Michael.
Oh, go ahead.
Baby. Look at Baby Keirah. She wants to try one, but
So it looks like a regular hot Cheeto, same color. I see a little bit of spice on there. I don't know if y'all can see.
Oh, they smell amazing.
Let me get a bigger
Hey,
one.
man. Just grab one. Okay.
I got one. Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry, baby girl. You can't have
You
one.
can't have it.
Can't have
All right.
it hot.
And 1, 2, 3. Challenge. Okay, kind of reminded me of Funyuns.
Funyuns. Okay, it has a little heat at the end.
God.
I don't know. I was expecting more.
I don't know.
Like it's kind of flavorless. Let me see.
We're really honest, y'all. So,
Let me see.
Oh my God, they're hot.
does it have to grow on you? Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Sorry.
It's too hot? Boy, please. It ain't that hot. Yeah.
It
They're
takes
okay.
a while for the flavor to explode, but it
Yeah.
hasn't exactly exploded yet.
I guess maybe I was expecting it to still have that hot Cheeto taste.
Exactly.
Maybe that's what it is. Yeah, they're alright.
Yeah, they went to the other side completely. I can't
Yeah.
stop eating them, but
What does it taste like? Does it taste like something?
It tastes,
Like it reminds you of something?
but it kind of tastes like. It kind of tastes hot.
Like it doesn't really have that much flavor.
Like that.
Y'all know how I am. Like I'm not picky, but they alright. I was expecting a little bit more flavor, I guess. Like it doesn't, like okay, if it didn't say hot Cheetos, would you think it was a hot Cheeto that you were eating? You know what I mean? If you didn't know that it was hot
No.
Cheetos, would you think that it was by tasting it? Like it doesn't taste like hot Cheetos.
I wonder if they'll taste better if you dip them in something.
Yeah.
Look, I show you.
Go ahead.
It's that's weird. That's so weird.
So what do you think of it, Mikell?
I actually think it would taste like a challenge, but it would taste like
Yeah, but are they good hot Cheetos or do you like the regular hot Cheetos better?
I like these and look how fire they are.
You like them, Mikell?
Yeah,
You can have more if you want them.
and they can just go away.
Yeah, you can take them to school and hand them out to all your little friends.
Come on,
They
no.
can have them.
Yeah, so the Chipotle Ranch hot Cheetos. Yeah, y'all gotta go. Sorry. And we love all the different flavors of hot Cheetos. The lime ones, the extra, extra hot ones, which are extra, extra hot
Ooh,
too, by the way.
extra, extra good.
What other flavors do they have? That might be it.
The Funyun ones.
Yeah, the hot Cheeto Funyun ones. Those are good.
No, they just came out with, we need to get these, the Doritos, but they're flaming hot.
Oh, we've never had those before?
I don't think so. They're just like in the regular Doritos, but they have that little character.
Yeah, I remember we tried the mozzarella sticks. We made them with the hot Cheetos.
Ooh, heartburn.
Yeah, not really feeling it. I kind of think hot Cheetos, you gotta just eat them in their natural state. Maybe with a little lemon juice, tahini or something. I would still eat it with the cream cheese. Do you guys eat your hot Cheetos with cream cheese? If
Yeah,
not,
first
you need to.
First you start off with a little bit of lemon juice, ketchup.
Mama,
I'll taste you something.
like
Nah,
lemon
still
Cheeto.
It's that aftertaste. It's like you're waiting for that bite, that flavor. But I don't even think I really taste the Chipotle.
Yeah. Now, to be fair, I will say that we all kind of recently had colds and we're sick.
Yeah,
So taste buds might be a little off, but I don't even think so.
I don't think so.
I just had to throw that in there.
I wasn't really sick, so I should be able to taste it, and I don't really taste nothing. Uh-oh, too hot? Go drink some water.
Yeah, you drink it like it's your first time ever having some water.
You dramatic. They ain't even that hot.
That was too much.
What's this?
Probably her drool. Oh, whoa, what the heck? So are they thumbs up, thumbs like this, or thumbs down?
Like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Done.
Exactly.
You know, thumbs down is bad.
I know. What do you give it? Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Okay.
They're just flavorless.
Yeah, they're not really that good. They're really plain.
Go get our money back. Or exchange them.
Like, they're not nasty, but they're definitely not what you're expecting.
Dang. No wonder that is on sale.